Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our next SS class. Then, did you read and did you study what we studied last day? And also, last day I gave a work that is write the A part question answers. Many of them need to write, didn't submit. Okay, so you should submit speedily. So, today I came with another topic that is tectonic processes. Last day we studied about metamorphic rocks and development of landforms. With that we studied about the volcanoes. Today we need to study about tectonic process. Tectonic process. What is tectonic process? Listen to the Earth's lithosphere is broken up into several pieces, just like the pieces of large jigsaw puzzle. These pieces, known as plates, float on soft layer of the mantle. The flow of partly molten materials within the mantle causes the plates of the lithosphere to move relatively to each other. As the plate move, they push, pull, slide, rise, sink, bend, and break. Such processes act over millions of years and create major landforms. They are called tectonic process. After the Greek word tecton, which means builder. Plate movement causes volcanic activity and earthquake, especially at the margins of the moving plates. Listen to me. What is tectonic process? The earth lithosphere is broken up into several pieces. Last day I showed that. ഒരു മുട്ട ഇങ്ങനെ തട്ടുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾക്ക് അവിടെ ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് വിണ്ട് നിൽക്കും. അതുപോലെ 7 മേജർ പ്ലേറ്റ്സ് ആയിട്ടും സം മൈനർ പ്ലേറ്റ്സ് ആയിട്ടും ക്രിയേറ്റഡ് ആണ് ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയർ. ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയർ ക്രസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് സോളിഡ് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് അപ്പർ മാൻറ്റിൽ. ആ ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയറിന് താഴെ മോൾട്ടൺ ആയിട്ട് കിടക്കുകയാണ് മാഗ്മ. ഓക്കെ. So that is saying here, the Earth's lithosphere is broken up into several pieces. Lithosphere broken ആണ്. ബ്രോക്കൺ ആയിട്ട് ഗ്യാപ്പൊന്നുമില്ലാതെ അടുത്ത് തന്നെ ബ്രോക്കൺ ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ അടുപ്പിച്ച് കിടക്കുകയാണ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് എ പീസസ് ഓഫ് ലാർജ് ജിഗ്സോ പസിൽ. ജിഗ്സോ പസിൽ യൂസോ. സോ ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. Lithosphere is broken up to several pieces. These pieces known as plate. This pieces is known as plates. Plates means lithosphere is broken into 7 major and some minor pieces of rock, pieces of land, pieces of lithosphere. That broken pieces is known as plates, earth plates. Okay. Then float on softened layer of the mantle. We know softened layer of the mantle, the lithosphere float on this mantle, on the softened mantle. The flow of partly molten materials within the mantle causes the plates of the lithosphere to move relatively to each other. We know magma always tried give its force on lithosphere. മാഗ്മ എപ്പോഴും തിളച്ച് മറിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നൊരു സംഭവമാണ്. അത് കാരണം ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയറിൽ അതിന് ഫോഴ്സ് കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഫ്ലോ ഓഫ് പാർട്ട്ലി മോൾട്ടൺ മെറ്റീരിയൽസ്, ഈ പാർട്ട്ലി മോൾട്ടൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള മെറ്റീരിയൽസിൻ്റെ ഫ്ലോ കൊണ്ട് വിത്തിൻ ദ മാൻറ്റിൽ causes the plate of the lithosphere to move relatively to each other. Because of this force, pieces of rocks, pieces of lithosphere relatively move to each other. How we understand? As the plate move, the plates move. Because of that, they push. Maybe say they push, pull, വലിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും തള്ളുകയും ചെയ്യും. Slide means go under one another plate. Slide. Okay. Then rise. May rise one plate to on the other plate. Sink. Some plates may, some part of sink may sink into mantle and became magma. And bend. Maybe some plates became bent. Maybe some plate break. Such process act over millions of years. Such process not within 1 or 2 years. It taking which millions of years. Okay. Because of the millions of years of plate movements, here creating major landforms. Because of these plate movements, here creating major landforms like mountains and valleys. These are the landforms creating because of this plate movements. They are called tectonic processes. Such process, which process? Plate movements. Because of the plate movements here creating major landforms, such process is known as tectonic processes. After Greek word tecton, tectonic process came from the Greek word tecton. Tecton means, which means builder. Build means make. Because of the tectonic process here creating major landforms. Tectonic process means this earth lithosphere moving one place to another because of the molten materials within the magma. It give its force on the lithosphere. These plate movements, because of these plate movements here creating push, pull, slide, rise, sink, bend and break. These such processes are over creating millions of years. Because of this process creating landforms. They are called this process is known as tectonic process. ഈ പ്ലേറ്റ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് കൊണ്ട് ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ദിസ് പ്രോസസ് ഇസ് നോൺ ആസ് tectonic process. The tectonic process came from the Greek word that is tecton. Tecton meaning builder, പുതുതായിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവുക എന്നുള്ള മീനിങ്. ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേറ്റ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് കോസസ് volcanic activity and earthquake, especially at the margins of the moving plate. This plate movements, because of the magma, this plate movements causes volcanic activity and earthquake, especially at the margins of moving plate. Okay, I gave last day like it. Our plates creating like it. May this plate come to here, may this plate come to here and it collide. കൂട്ടിമുട്ടുന്നു. Because of that collision, there is creating earthquake, sudden collision. Because of this collision here, creating within the margin of plates, earthquake. Okay, sometimes these two plates go away from each other. This plate move from to here, to here to there, and this place move from here to there. Because of that movements, opposite side movement, they may erupt the magma and they are creating volcanic activity. Have you understand? So here because of the tectonic process here creating which major landforms, volcanic activity and earthquake. The next we need to study about earthquake. What is earthquake? Listen to the first of this chapter we saw the earthquake produces seismic waves. With the help of that seismic waves, our scientists find out the inner conditions of earth. So we need to study about in detail about earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the earth surface. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of the plates of the lithosphere. Volcanic eruption also cause earthquake. An earthquake usually lasts for only a few seconds, but may be violent enough to cause extensive damage to life and property. Okay, what is earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of earth surface. Earth surface in sudden and violent അപകടമുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന പെട്ടെന്നുള്ള violent shaking ആണ്, കുലുക്കമാണ് earthquake. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of the plates of the lithosphere. We saw movement of the lithosphere plates. Because most earthquakes are occurring because of movement of the plates. Volcanic eruption. I told when the volcano is forcibly, the lava come out to the earth surface. Because of that force too may creating earthquake. Volcanic eruption also causes earthquake. An earthquake usually lasts for only a few seconds. The earthquake only created only a few seconds, even though that is very dangerous, but may violent enough to cause extensive damage to life and property. Because of earthquake, even though that creating only few seconds, that is dangerous enough, it cause extensive damage, full of became damage of life and property. Life means will die human and another animals also, and maybe damaged buildings and other items. That is saying here, it is called extensive damage of life and property. The next paragraph, the point at some depth below the earth's surface where the vibrations of earthquake begin, it is called focus. It is one part of earth. It is plates. Magma. Because of magma force, its force on the earth crust, lithosphere, this plate may move from here to here, and from here the vibrations of earthquake started. The vibrations of earthquake started within the lithosphere. That starting point is known as focus. The starting point of earthquake vibration is known as focus. The point at some depth below the earth's surface, point from depth below the earth's surface, where vibrations of an earthquake begin. From where vibrations of earthquake begin, it is called focus. Focus. From there, vibrations spread in all directions. From here, vibrations spread in all directions. Much like the ripples caused by the dropping of a stone into a pool of water. When we put a stone into pool of water, the waves we can see around it. Like that, from focus, its vibration spread all over the directions. Then, the point on Earth's surface that lies directly above the focus is called epicenter. The point directly above the Earth's surface, the vibrations reached here. This area is known as epicenter. Have you understand what is saying? The point on the Earth's surface, the point on the Earth's surface lies directly above the focus. Lies directly above the focus is called epicenter. Epicenter. The vibration reach here, reach this point first. The vibrations of earthquake reach first in the epicenter. The vibrations reached here. Here, the vibration reached here, the point first, and then spread outward over the surface. Maybe from here, from outward to creating its vibration. Thus, epicenter usually suffers the maximum destruction. When the earthquake, the point much above the earth's surface, from the focus, it is epicenter. From epicenter, it again vibrations of earthquake move in surrounding areas, even though epicenter is the most damaged area of that earthquake. Have you understand? Okay. Then next paragraph, earthquake do not create major landforms. They can, however, cause changes in the existing landforms. For example, they may cause cracks open up in the ground. They may also lead to landslide or cause giant waves in the oceans. Because of earthquake does not create much landforms, but they cause changes in the existing landforms. Because of earthquake creating changes in existing landforms. നിലനിൽക്കുന്ന ലാൻഡ്ഫോംസിൽ ചേഞ്ചസ് വരാം ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് എർത്ത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ദേ മേ കോസ് ക്രാക്ക് ഓപ്പൺ അപ്പ് ഇൻ ദ ഗ്രൗണ്ട്. ദേ മേ കോസ് creating cracks. Cracks means വിള്ളലുകൾ on the earth surface. And they may also lead to landslide because of the force of earthquake. Landslide may create. Landslide means one plate move. These are two places. Because of earthquake vibration, maybe one plate move under to other land plate. It is sliding. Okay, and also slide you may hear about which ഉരുൾപൊട്ടൽ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് സ്ലൈഡ് ഉരുൾപൊട്ടലുകൊണ്ട് എക്സിസ്റ്റിംഗ് ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസിന് ചേഞ്ചസ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ബിക്കോസ് ഹൗ ദ സ്ലൈഡ് ക്രിയേറ്റിംഗ് എർത്ത് ക്വേക്ക് കോസസ് ടു സ്ലൈഡ്. ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? ദെൻ and also it may create waves, giant waves on oceans. Didn't you hear about tsunami creating because of earthquake under the ocean? Okay, so the earthquake does not create major landforms, however it create changes in the existing landforms. For example, crack on the opening of the ground. They may also lead to the landslide, and also it can create giant waves on the ocean. Giant waves means വലിയ തിരമാലകൾ. That is tsunami. Did you understand? Now we studied about the tectonic process and earthquake. Listen. Okay, next our topic is measuring earthquake. How we can measure earthquake? You may notice in the news or newspaper, you can see that the Japan experienced or show which in Japan experienced one earthquake. It 6.7 in the Richter scale. That is measurement of earthquake. But it's a force of earthquake. For measure that we have some instruments. Listen to the instrument used for recording and measuring the vibration of an earthquake called seismograph. What is seismograph? The instrument used for recording and measuring the vibration of an earthquake. Recording and measuring the vibration of earthquake, we have one instrument, that is seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake depends on the energy released. Magnitude, അതിൻ്റെ അളവ് എത്രത്തോളം എനർജി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തു എന്നുള്ളതിനനുസരിച്ചായിരിക്കും magnitude of the earthquake. It is measured usually from 0 to 10 on a scale called the Richter scale. Richter scale. Okay, it is only some 0 to 10. It is a scale 0 to 10, only up to here. Even though the scale, we can measure the vibrations of earthquake within the help of the scale, that is Richter scale. Consecutive whole numbers of the scale represent about 30 times increase in energy released during an earthquake. Thus, an earthquake measuring 7 on Richter scale is 30 times more than 7 than that of the measure 6. Listen, here saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 10. If we are experiencing 2 earthquake vibration, 2 is the amount of measured the earthquake on the Richter scale, we conclude that it is 30 times double than 1 on Richter scale. Richter scale 2 മാർക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ അത് 1-ൽ എത്രയാണോ റിക്ടർ സ്കെയിലിൽ നമ്മൾക്ക് അനുഭവപ്പെട്ട എർത്ത് അതിലേറെ 30 ഇരട്ടി ആയിരിക്കും, 30 ഡബിൾ ആയിരിക്കും 2-ൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. 3-ലോ 2-നേക്കാളും 30 ഇരട്ടി കൂടുതൽ ശക്തിയിലായിരിക്കും 3-ൽ. ദെൻ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഓരോ നമ്പേഴ്സിലും ഓരോ നമ്പർ കഴിയുമ്പോഴും ആദ്യം എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്ഡ് ആയതിനേക്കാളും 30 ടൈംസ് കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സിൽ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സെയിങ് ഹിയർ. Earthquake measuring 7 on the Richter scale is 30 times severe than one that measures 6. 6-ൽ മെഷർ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 30 ഇരട്ടി ഗുരുതരമായിരിക്കും 7-ൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ. ഓക്കെ, however, damage an earthquake causes depends on many factors such as the type of soil, type of building, quality of construction, population density, etc. Generally, earthquake measuring 2 or less on the Richter scale are not even felt as today. Felt by us. The one that caused damage usually measure 5 or more. What is saying here? The damage on earthquake causes depends on many factors such how which type of soil is there. സോയിലിനനുസരിച്ച് മാറ്റങ്ങൾ അപകടങ്ങൾ കൂടാം. ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ബിൽഡിംഗ്, വലിയ ഉയരത്തിലുള്ള ബിൽഡിങ്സ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അപകടങ്ങൾ കൂടാം. ക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഫ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ, യാതൊരുവിധ ഉറപ്പുമില്ലാതെയാണ് കൺസ്ട്രക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുക എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അപകടങ്ങൾ കൂടാം. പോപ്പുലേഷൻ ഡെൻസിറ്റി, ഒരുപാട് ആളുകൾ തിങ്ങിപ്പാർക്കുന്ന ഏരിയ ആണെങ്കിൽ അപകടങ്ങൾ കൂടാം, എക്സെട്ര. ജനറലി എർത്ത് മെഷറിങ് 2 or less, 2 അതിൽ താഴെയോ മെഷർ റിക്ടർ സ്കെയിൽ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ വി കനോട്ട് വിച്ച് ഫെൽറ്റ് ഈസ് അറ്റ് earthquake. We can't find the earthquake when it is marked 1 or 2. But even many damages creating, one that caused damage usually measure 5. Which lot of damages, if we can see that measure may 5 or above. 5 രേഖപ്പെടുത്തിയെങ്കിലാണ് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ മെഷർ വിച്ച് ഡാമേജസ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. അതിന് മുകളിലാണെങ്കിൽ അതിലും കൂടും. It is about the measuring earthquake. Okay. The next paragraph, surviving an earthquake. What is that, surviving an earthquake? Listen to that. During an earthquake, get away from, how we can survive. Survive means rakshapada. How we can survive from earthquake? Listen to that. During an earthquake, get away from stoves and fireplaces, glass objects, windows, and things that can fall. From where we get away during the earthquake, we want to get away means we want to go from there, which are the stoves and fireplaces, glass objects, windows, anything that can fall, we need to get away from there when the earthquake time. Then crawl under a table or a bed or crouch near a inner wall. Crawl means ഇഴഞ്ഞ് അതിൻ്റെ അടിയിലേക്ക് പോവുക, ഏതിൻ്റെ, ടേബിൾ ഓർ ബെഡ്, ഓർ ക്രോച്ച് നിയർ ദ ഇന്നർ വോൾ, ഉള്ളിലുള്ള വോളിൻ്റെ അടിയിൽ ക്രോച്ച്, കുനിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുക. കവർ യുവർ ഹെഡ് ആൻഡ് ഫേസ് വിത്ത് യുവർ ആംസ്. വെൻ ദ എർത്ത് ടൈം കവർ അവർ ഹെഡ് ആൻഡ് നോസ് വിത്ത് അവർ ആംസ്. ഡു നോട്ട് യൂസ് ദ ലിഫ്റ്റ്. നോ, നെവർ യൂസ് ദ ലിഫ്റ്റ് വെൻ ദ എർത്ത് ടൈം. ഇറ്റ് മേ broken. If you are outdoors, if you are in outdoor, outside the home, move away from buildings. Move, not stand near the buildings that may fall off. And move away from trees, poles. Poles means കാലുകൾ, post. Then holdings. Holdings means big advertisements of shops. That is holdings, etc. We get away from all these areas. If earthquakes are frequent where you live, you and your friends, family, you regularly take part in drill to practice what to do during the earthquake. If you are living in the earthquake prone regions, if you are living in the earthquake are frequent when you are live, frequent means ഇടയ്ക്കിടെ earthquake ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന ഏരിയ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, we and our friends, you and your friends and family should regularly part in drills to fact during earthquake. ജപ്പാനിലൊക്കെ ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് എർത്ത് ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ഏരിയ ആണ്. ജപ്പാനിലൊക്കെയുള്ള സ്കൂളിലെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഡ്രില്ല് കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്, പ്രാക്ടീസസ് കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്. ഹൗ സേഫ് അവേ ഫ്രം എർത്ത് ക്വേക്ക്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡ്രിൽ. വി നീഡ് ടു ടേക്ക് പാർട്ട് ഇൻ ഡ്രിൽ ആൻഡ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് വാട്ട് ടു ഡു ഡ്യൂറിങ് ദ എർത്ത് ക്വേക്ക്. എർത്ത് ക്വേക്കിൻ്റെ ടൈമത്തിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം എന്നുള്ളതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ഡ്രിൽ കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട് എർത്ത് ക്വേക്ക് ഫ്രീക്വൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഏരിയാസിൽ. ഹൗ യു, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ്, ദീസ് ആർ ദ സർവൈവിങ് ആൻ എർത്ത് ക്വേക്ക്. That is why we can survive from earthquake. Okay, we can stop now. What we studied today? Today we studied about tectonic process. Just read that. The earth lithosphere is broken up into several pieces, just like the pieces of large jigsaw puzzle. These pieces, known as plates, float on the soft layer of the mantle. The flow of partly molten materials within the mantle causes the plate of the lithosphere to move relatively to each other. As the plate move, they push, pull, slide, rise, sink, and bend, break. Such process act over millions of years and created major landforms. They are called tectonic process. After the Greek word tecton, which means builder. Plate movements causes volcanic activity and earthquake, especially at the margins of the moving plate. The next we studied earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the earth's surface. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of the plates of the lithosphere. Volcanic eruption also causes earthquake. An earthquake usually lasts for only a few seconds, but may be violent enough to cause extensive damage to life and property. Then the point at some depth below the earth's surface where the vibrations of an earthquake begin, it is called focus. From the vibrations spread in all directions. Much like the ripples caused by the dropping of the stone into a pool of water. The point on Earth's surface that lie directly above the focus is called epicenter. The vibrations reach the point at first and then spread outward over the surface. Thus, the epicenter usually suffers the maximum destruction. Earthquakes do not create major landforms. They can, however, cause changes in the existing landforms. For example, they may cause cracks to open up in the ground. They may also lead to a landslide or cause giant waves in the oceans. In measuring earthquake, the instrument used for recording and measuring the vibrations of an earthquake is seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake depends on the energy released. It is measured usually from 10 to 0 to 10 on a scale called Richter scale. Consecutive whole numbers of this scale represent about 30 times increase in energy released during an earthquake. Thus, an earthquake measuring 7 on the Richter scale is 30 times more severe than one that of measure 6. However, the damage an earthquake causes depends on many quality of construction, population density, etc. Generally, earthquake measuring 2 or less on the Richter scale are not even felt by us. The one that cause damage usually measure 5 or more. Then we studied survive an earthquake, how we can escape from earthquake. During the earthquake, get away from stoves and fireplaces, glass objects, window and things that can fall. Crawl under a table or a bed or crouch near the inner wall. Cover your head and face with your arms. Do not use the lift. If you are outdoor, move away from buildings, trees, poles, holdings, etc. If earthquakes are frequent where you live, you and your friends and family should regularly take part in drills to practice what to do during the earthquake. Okay. Today we studied about these topics. Within next class, we can complete our chapter. And today I would like to give you another homework. 5 B part question answers there. All we studied. So find out that answers and write into your notebook. Okay? Thank you.